Hi guys, let me review the smart door lock for you today. This is how it looks. It comes in the box with just a few pieces to assemble, and the installation is super easy actually. It has an instruction if it's your first time doing it. So this part is it's gonna go on the outside, so right here, and then you can see that it's got this part here is the fingerprint sensor, and then these digits here are the actual code digits, so you can set up set it up in different ways. You can use fingerprint to enter, or you can type in digits, a code to enter, or you can also use an actual physical key. Uh, Here, it comes with the physical keys as well. So if you don't trust the technology. Now, the other part, that handle, it goes on the inside, and in here you would put four AAA batteries to make it work, and that is the actual lock part. Okay. Now, the good thing is that it comes with a control unit. So what it does is it allows you to connect to your door lock using a special mobile app that you can download, and you can control the lock using your phone. You can set up keys, passcodes, you can check the events when the door was locked, unlocked, and so on. So pretty convenient. You simply just plug it in to a power outlet, just have it nearby the lock somewhere within Bluetooth range, and that's it. Then you connect your phone to this control unit. Comes with everything needed for installation, some screws and even a screwdriver. So pretty simple to do that. And just by the looks of it, it's super nice and sturdy. Metal parts all over the place. I don't see any plastic. And yeah, pretty safe and convenient. I totally recommend it to you.